My skinny jeans.
They're not skinny jeans. You were attentive.
I thought it was going to feel a lot more.
How smooth, I like that.
My father teaches me how to use firearms.
My dad used to beat me with a fucking toaster.
Nice. Got him, I hit him in the dump.
Oh my god, he's so cool!
Check this out though. Hey, that fucking worked. Excuse me. Dude, it's the scar from Fortnite.
It's this guy from Fortnite.
Shut up. You, dude.
Oh!
Sounds like a goofy.
What?
Hi, Charles.
Take that out.
Oh, makes sense. Look at this guy.
What? Cross map.
Get back in it, baby. Come on.
All right, I'm on my last mag, but yeah.
All right.
Got him. Got them. Got him. You got me.
15 minutes and mark your wristband. 20 foot.
Boston.
You shoot 20 feet.
Net.
Put your hand up high. Yell, hit. Now. Clearing. You are allowed inside the castle.
Ooh, we can go in castle. You know where I'm going?
You know where I'm going?
You know where I'm sprinting to?
Charles just fell in a shit. Hey!
Officer, there's something on your gun. Let me get that for you.
Basket.
What did you take on that? Oh, wait, did it? I don't know.
Hello? What? I'm pinned down!
Hey, go behind. R11! Loading! I got one! You want to back up? That's their spawn.
You want me to back up?
Tactical retreat! We're trying to push in your spawn kind of hard. You guys die a lot.
We literally
This is our first time!
we literally pushed
And it was a voluntary respawn.
You always die at the same time.
because we were walking back.
Get him, Mac! Get him! I hate running. There we go. Oh my God! Austin.
Yeah.
Are you locked in or are you tweaking?
I'm locked in right now.
Violence isn't the answer.
I'm like, yeah, he's gonna pull the trigger, bro.
Bro, it sounds like an A10.
Dude.
Let's call one.
Take a respawn. You're 12 years old! You're 12! Left.
Hello?
Hey. Tying my shoe. Hey, Gabe.
Huh?
Really? It doesn't feed when I'm shooting at him? Ow. Ow. I'm ADSing right now. See if it does any good. Really? All right. Hey.
My radio fell apart.
How did...
Someone push up to that metal crate.
Good luck, good luck. Good, yeah, be my guest, dude, now that I think about it. I'm hitting my own cover. I'm still hitting my cover. I'm still... Dude, I cannot hit this guy.
That doesn't sound as cool. Like jig.
I don't know, I think that's, it's just jammed.
It's a really thick barrier, but it could also be the place. I really want to.
Huh? You know your GoPro's a little bit broken.
How broken?
It's like...
Brick!
Alright, dude, time to flip down.
You know what? I'm seeing tired of you, bro. You cannot shoot them. Go, go, go!
Did I get him? I got him. Sorry, dude. Ooh. God, dude, the chicken basket and fries is not sitting well.
Always do this.
I was hungry, but I got... Where?
Right that way.
That way, thank you.
Charles, you got a bunch of them straight ahead of you.
Where, dude? That was all rocks. Chat, do you recognize this person?
No, it's not good. We're gonna find the third pair of these.
That's one. That's two.
Oh, hi.
Stop.
Whoa, is that mellow? Damn. Yeah. Hey, my 12, 11, 10. 10 o'clock.
What do you want to do? Run middle?
Yeah. Excuse me?
Please move faster.
Do you want this?
Yeah. Let's go take mid. Come on. Go get him.
Why would you slap me on the ass?
Wait a minute.
Just look where I'm shooting.
I don't want to take that. He's scary.
Are you always this fucking useless?
Is he dead?
Yes.
You want to take castle?
Let's take castle. Ooh. I'm not going in there.
Riley, get Riley. I can't get Riley. Get Riley. Yeah, I'm gonna sue.
You signed a waiver.
Fuck. Did you do one for the 2024, mister?
Yeah, that's how I got in.
What do you mean that's how you got in?
That's how I... What do you mean? Oh, go say now you just fucked up. Now you better start running. Now you better start running. We'll start with Gary. Gary! Got a question for you. Are you locked in?
Or are you tweaking? I'm locked in.
Locked in. Kevin, got a question for you real quick. Are you locked in?
Or are you tweaking? I'm locked in.
Got a question for you, Sean.
Yes.
Are you locked in?
Or are you tweaking? Tweaking.
Ryan, are you locked in?
Or are you tweaking? I'm locked in right now.
Are you locked in?
Or are you tweaking? Am I what? Or are you tweaking? You tweaking. What are we at? He's already tweaking.
Yeah, even if he says locked in, put him down for tweaking. Got a question. Are you locked in?
Or are you tweaking?
All right, put him down for tweaking.